and prayerful wishes from St. Joseph International School. The mission of the school was to provide the students in the Treasure Valley with a quality independent education that focused on engaging and active learning, a commitment to the environment, and dedication to the school and local communities. Located in Kalvarayan Hills, Perunjur, Salem district. With the grace and blessings of God Almighty, St. Joseph International School CBSE was started on 15 June 2015. Our school is founded and established by beloved Reverend Father Dr. J. Arulraj, the founder and chairman. By the blessings of Mother Virgin DMI, the school is run by the Society of Daughters of Mary Immaculate Sisters. We gratefully acknowledge the support and the contributions of Reverend Sister C. Rita DMI, the Superior General, Reverend Sister Xavier Selvi DMI, the Southern Provincial, Reverend Sister S. Nyanaselvam DMI, the Managing Trustee, Reverend Sister A. Mary Jehani DMI, the Secretary of DFT Group of Schools, Reverend Sister Leetha Roslyn DMI, the correspondent of DFT Group of Southern Schools, Reverend Father Durai Raj, the parish priest of Karumandurai, and the board member from Japan, SNAC, on behalf of Reverend Sister Fujita, Mrs. Koiko Konishi, Mrs. Akiko Konishi, and Mrs. Elizabeth Kodaira, inaugurated the school by cutting the ribbon.
2015-16. An education in the fullness of humanity should be the defining features of Catholic school. Pope Francis. In the beginning of the year 2015-16, the school is blessed with 127 students on roll up to 3rd standard with 5 teachers. The academic session has begun with special mass on 17 June 2015. Reverend Father Durai Raj, the parish priest of St. Francis Church, Karumandurai, blessed the school building, students and staff. The blooming buds were identified with lots of misbehavior in the beginning of the school. Hence, the sisters taught them behavioral skill, moral values, and thoughts like greetings each other, self-introduction, respecting elders, etc. The scholastic areas were concentrated through ECE pattern like practical and written assessments with FAS plus SAS. The co-scholastic areas were concentrated through lot of activities, celebrations and functions. Here we have sneak peeks of our Blooming Kids activities.
Assembly activities: prayer, prayer song, Bible reading, Tirukural, thought for the day and national anthem. KG rhymes, storytelling, identification of alphabets, days of the week, month of the year, basic general knowledge, conversation, good habits. Day celebration: Balloons Day, Colors Day, Vegetables and Fruits Day, Mask Day, Fancy Dress Day, Festivals Day, Dressing like Angel or Santa Claus, Flowers Day. Extracurricular activities of the year 2015-2016. The students are motivated to learn music and classical dance.
Sports activities of the year: indoor games, puzzles arranging, numbers and alphabet arranging, snake ladders, chess, carom, building blocks, car driving, bicycle, giant game, counting abacus, sorting numbers, vegetables, shapes making. Outdoor games: throw ball, ring ball, skipping, coco, shuttlecocks. Celebrations: Freshers Day, Dr. Kamaraj's birthday, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Dr. Abdul Kalam's birthday, and first Grand Annual Day. The annual function was graced as chief guest Most Reverend Dr. Singaroyan, the Bishop of Salem Diocese. The special guest Mr. Stephen, the correspondent of Jnanadeepam School, Pagudupattu. The parental guest Mr. Rajendran, ex-Army Vellimalai. With God's blessing and support, we have got 158 new admission and the strength of the year is 285 on the roll with 9 teachers. Though the second year, we proud to say that the school has escalated to great arises of the zest. Today it is seen one of the tallest institutions of Karumandurai. It has become an ornament with an academic excellence, a benchmark to measure co-curricular excellence, and also a center which creates responsible citizens of the nation.
Our visionary management created an eco-friendly environment which inspired, focused, and committed effort, encouraged innovation and enterprise, where excellence was the watchword.
A wide array of school functions and programs are regularly organized that provide a stimulating environment that give wings to the divine fire within each learner and fill the world with the glow of its goodness. Freshers' Day on 5th June 2016, CCA inauguration on 2nd July 2016, Kamaraj's birthday and science exhibition on 15th July 2016, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's death anniversary rally, Independence Day celebration on 15th August 2016, Teachers' Day on 3rd September 2016, Children's Day on 14th November, Christmas celebration on 22nd December 2016, Pongal celebration on 13th January 2017, Republic Day on 26th January 2017, Second Annual Day on 19th March 2016, Leaves Day, Fruits Day, Balloons Day, Flowers Day, Vegetables Day, Colors Day. ECA of the year 2016-2017. Dance, yoga, drill march and exercise, karate. In the name of the God Almighty and His blessings, the school is reopened on 5th June 2017 after summer holidays. God blessed us with 104 new admission. Total strength of the year is 389. We are very grateful to Reverend Father Dr. J. Arul Raj, founder and chairman, and his academic team, because of whose prayers, encouragement, guidance, and support all this has been possible. They made learning and teaching process easier by giving us educational related technologies. We have provided such huge computer lab with internet connection. Tata Smart Board online teaching is given in all the classrooms. Tablets are using in teaching for KG kids.
School function. The function of education is to teach one to think intensely and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education, mastering better skills. Freshers' Day on 12th June 2017. We welcomed our new kids to our school with Freshers' Day program. Reverend Father Klabentraj, the parish priest of Tumbal, blessed our new kids and advised all the teachers to take care of the children safely. Kamaraj's birthday on 14th July 2007. Independence Day celebration. Teachers' Day on 5th September 2017. Children's Day on 14th November 2017. CCA inauguration on 10th November 2017. Suppose Christmas celebration on 22nd December 2017. Pongal celebration on 12th January 2018. Republic Day on 26th January 2018. Leaves Day, Vegetables Day, Fruits Day, Animals Day, Balloons Day, Musical Day, Flowers Day, Dengue Awareness, Colors Day, Kindergarten programs, Shapes Day, co-curricular activities, dance, yoga.
2018-2019. With God's blessings and support, the strength of the academic year is 359, 15 teaching and 15 supportive faculties. Before going to see our students' performance in academic and related to academic, let me show the dynamic persons visits to our school. On 31st May 2018, Reverend Father Dr. J. Arul Raj, the founder and chairman of our institution, visited our school and gave us innovative ideas to strengthen our school in all the ways. and he sowed in our mind that our school must give effective education in order to mold the students to become the best in their future. On 7th June 2018, respected Salem Collector Mr. Rohini Baji Bagre inspected our school, which was really historical event for our school after trying many months to bring her to our school. DEO visit. On 6th of February, DEO visited our school, checked and verified all the classrooms and documents. He appreciated for clean and neatness of the campus, and he was also happy about our school children's performance. Bishop visit. On 15th February 2019, the Most Reverend Dr. S. Singaroyan, Bishop of Salem Diocese, visited our school. He shared his valuable piece of his mind with students to motivate them to do well. He issued certificate to the students, those who secured first position in the drama competition held in Arthur at DEO office. Tahsildar visit. On 4th of January, the Tahsildar inspected our school along RI, VAO and others for giving certificate of land use certificate. They issued land use and license after inspecting our school infrastructure. Tata Class H training. On 1st June, Mrs. Soma Chatterjee, Tata trainer, had taken hands-on training class for the teachers in our school. Scholastic and co-scholastic achievements. According to CBSE, scholastic co-scholastic domain means the desirable behavior related to the learner's knowledge, understanding, application, evaluation, analysis, and the ability to apply it in an unfamiliar situation. After a long keen observation through periodical assessment and semester, the class toppers were chosen from each class. They are R. Sumitra, A. Sudarshan 2nd A, S. Deepak 2nd B, Lakshana Shri 3rd, K. Harni Shri 4th, P. Agalya 5th, S. Sahana 6th, R. Varshini 7th. Achievers of the co-scholastic areas. There were 28 students from our school went to participate in inter-school competition which was held in Arthur Bharadiyar Higher Secondary School conducted by District Educational Office, Salem. There were 10 students from our school selected for next level competition and got first prize in Arthur block level. On 1st November 2018, classes from 6th and 7th students went for inter-school drama competition held at Bharatya Vidyalaya Higher Secondary School in Salem, conducted by CEO Salem. The students and teachers went for competition, told that it was first great experience for them, and also they told they got lot of ideas about the drama. On 7th July 2018, we celebrated investiture program in great way. The chief guest, Reverend Father Amal Mahimai Raj, Parish Priest of St. Francis Church, Karamandurai, appreciated the students' performance and he spoke about some ideal leaders in India.
Let's see various club competitions held in our school. Handwriting, spell bee, speech, painting, drawing, elocution, Rangoli, Tirukural recitation, project work, timelines, creative activity, fancy dress, paragraph writing, puzzles, quiz, playthings making, science project, group activity, storytelling.
School functions. Freshers Day on 20th June 2018. International Yoga Day on 21st June 2018. Kamarajar's birthday on 15th July 2018. Rally was conducted for Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's death anniversary on 27th July 2018. The news came in Janatanti newspaper on 29th July 2018. Independence Day celebration on 15th August 2018. We celebrated 72nd Independence Day. Teachers Day on 5th September 2018. Birthday of Blessed Virgin Mary on 8th September 2018 in our school campus with staff and students. Global Hand Wash Day on 15th October 2018. Ayudha Puja on 19th October 2018. Science Expo on 29th October 2018. On 3rd October 2018, medical camp was conducted by Dr. Silambarasi MBBS and her team member checked all the 359 students from 10 am to 4:30 pm. We are proud to say that Ma'am is our alumni of St. Joseph School, Sri Peramadur. Is one of our estimate institution in Chennai. Sports Meet 2018 on 7th November 2018. Children's Day on 14th November 2018. Christmas celebration on 21st December 2018. Pongal celebration. The Pongal was celebrated in our school campus on 12th January 2019. The house in charge teachers collected ingredients from the students. Republic Day on 26th January 2019. 70th Republic Day was celebrated.
Book Festival. We had brought students from 4th to 7th standard for Book Festival. It is in Salem on 21st November 2018.
Kindergarten program held in our school. On 29th June 2018, KG Kids celebrated Balloons Day with the help of their teachers. On 6th July 2018, the KG Kids celebrated Fruits Day in a grand manner. On 13th July 2018, our KG Kids celebrated Food and Table Manners Day, which organized by KG teachers, and the program was really a meaningful one. KG Kids celebrated Shapes Day on 20th July 2018. KG Kids celebrated Vegetables Day on 27th July 2018. On 10th October 2018, we celebrated Plantation Day, which was really thought-provoking moment. The students themselves involved and planted variety of trees and plants. The KG Kids celebrated Birds Day, which was really colorful and meaningful celebration on 12th October 2018. On 19th November 2018, the KG teachers conducted rhymes competition, co-curricular activities. Yoga and karate are co-curricular activities in this academic year. From karate, there are 6 students got basic belt in belt competition held in Salem. They are Master Benny Aaron, Master Gokul, Master Sivaprakasam, Master Jayasurya, Master Kingston Pal, Master Mukesh. Parents meeting and open day. We arranged parents meeting and open day after periodical assessment and term exams in order to improve the quality of the students. We have met the entire parent individually and we collected their feedback of their children and we came to know their needs and wants. 4th Annual Day. We are very happy that on 9th February, the day of our school annual day, our founder father visited our school. Our school children were very happy to welcome our father. Annual day celebration went on well by the grace and blessings of the Almighty.
I am Miss S. Sahana. I am the greenhouse captain of St. Joseph International School. I am the first crew of the report ship to deliver our school infrastructure facilities.
Let me take you on a journey of this incredible school. As you can see behind of me the beautiful garden and school building. Our school is so adorable and beautiful, prestigious, marvelous building structure, clean and spacious, pakka finishing building and compound wall. Well furnished and smart board classrooms are neat and most ventilated spacious classrooms. The 21st century students demand well furnished and smart classrooms and the school believes in providing digital education to the students. Look around it. These colorful walls and classrooms mean we are in the kindergarten block. Rhymes, games, activities are part of their curriculum. How beautiful everything is here. This is our computer lab. With 40 systems, it has internet access as well as the latest technology, smart lab for smart students. This is our school library. A perfect nation indicates reading habits. Our school library has more than 4,000 books. There are different subjects and general knowledge, and this is the best place where we can learn, practice, and grow. Here our school composite science lab. Perfectly equipped lab meant for the young scientist. We have all the new physics, chemistry and biology equipments. Really fortunate to have such experienced and skilled teachers to guide us always. We are in the school's mathematics lab. The lab has all the materials to do the mathematics problem solving things, and the maths teacher guide us in perfect way. International sports and games are in the school: cricket, handball, football, shuttlecock, yoga, karate and many more. We have also spent time learning and practicing indoor games like carom and chess. Our school provides comfortable and safety new buses to all the routes with experienced drivers and cleaners.
I am Miss A.G. Adishri, the captain of Red House of St. Joseph International School. It's my proud to present scholastic and co-scholastic achievements and club competitions.
Scholastic and co-scholastic achievements of the year 2019 and 20. Tiny seeds make boundless harvests. Drop of rain compose the showers. Second makes the flying minutes, and the minutes make the hours. According to CBSE syllabus, scholastic, co-scholastic domain means the desirable behavior related to the learner's knowledge, understanding, application, evaluation, analysis and the ability to apply it in an unfamiliar situation. After a long keen observation through the class test, monthly test, periodical assessment 1, periodical assessment 2 and semester 1, the students were assessed by these all patterns. Open day and parents meeting was conducted, followed by the exams. The achievers of co-curricular and extracurricular 2019-20. On 19th October 2019, 6 students from 6 to 8 participated in Tamil Nadu National Science Conference held in Salem district. They submitted their projects and all of them got Young Scientist Award. 8 students participated in National Karate Competition held on 17 November 2019 at KSR College in Kalakurchi district. 4 students were placed second position and other third position. Nineteen students participated in Tamil Nadu Yoga competition held on 24th November 2019, organized by Tamil Nadu Yoga Council. 9 students got first place and other got second place. 14 students from 5th to 8th participated in handball tournament held on 23rd November 2019, organized by Salem Sahodaya School Complex, conducted by Jiva Public School in Salem. On 29th August 2019, 48 students along with 4 teachers went to NSTF 2019 held at Coimbatore Codicea to see state-level scientific models. "54 students participated in inter-school competition held on 11th January 2020 at St. Joseph Global School in Yagapuram, organized by Reverend Sister Correspondent, DFT Southern Schools. Our school students are involved in many activities throughout the year by our school clubs.
A weekend schedule totally different from other schools. On first and third Saturday of every month, we came to school without school bag is called no bag day. And hobby club activities, each students can sign up for the hobby club event what they want.
I am Miss Akshaya. I am the captain of Blue House of St. Joseph International School. It is my privilege and honor to deliver the school celebrations for the year 2019-2020.
The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. Martin Luther King. Here is a sneak peek at the functions that mark the school in this session. Freshers' Day was celebrated on 14th June 2019. SPL and ASPL election was conducted on 7th July 2019. Investiture program was celebrated on 8th July 2019. Kamaraja's birthday was celebrated in our school as Kalvi Valarchi Naal on 15th of July 2019. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's death anniversary rally was conducted on 27th July. Independence Day was celebrated on 15th of August 2019. Annual sports meet was celebrated on 28th August 2019. Teachers' Day was celebrated on 5th September 2019. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary was celebrated on 15th October 2019. Children's Day was celebrated on 14th November 2019. Christmas and New Year was celebrated on 20th of December 2019. 71st Republic Day was celebrated on 26th January 2020.
I am Master Mohan. I am Yellow's captain of St. Joseph International School. I am the fourth crew of report ship to present special initiative of the year 2019-20. Special initiatives of the year 2019-20. The school management has initiated compulsory abacus class for the students from 2nd to 5th standard. The teachers were trained by the professional Indian abacus trainers. The students from grade 6 to 8 joined in Scout and Guide as our school's first team on 21st June 2019. Mr. Silvamani Grabagaran, DOC, and Mr. Suresh, the Scout Master, inaugurated the function. Our school joined with Salem Sagodaya School Complex on 23rd November 2019. Youth group from Karmandarai donated 20 trees to plant in our school campus. We planted the same with the help of our students. 28 students joined in Karmandarai Village Library with the guidance of librarian. On 30th November 2019, 30 students from our school appeared in Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan online exam conducted by ISO all over India. The school events and important circulars were sent to the parents through SMS regularly. Extracurricular activities are yoga, and karate in our school. Activities with learning is always giving us long-term memory. Hence, our KG kids are being taught regularly with activities and day celebration every week. They are Flowers Day, Fruits Day, Balloons Day, Leaves Day, Coloring Activity, Food Day, Rhymes Competition, Green Day, Stone Activity, Vegetables Day, Personality Skill Activity, Movie Day, and Action Word Activity. On 4th October 2019, the Central Board of Secondary Education sent its committee from Delhi to inspect our school infrastructure, academics performance, and qualities of our students in studies. The CBSE committee appreciated our management and our students for high standard performances. On 15th October 2019, respected Mr. Arogya Raja, academic trainer, DFT group of schools, visited our school. On 5th July 2019, students from LKG to 8th standard were injected DPT, TD by government doctors in medical camp. On 17th October 2019, Fire and Rescue Department from Karmundarai gave rescue awareness program for our students.
If we teach today as we taught yesterday, we rob our children of tomorrow. John. The school management facilitates the participation of teaching faculty in a wide range of workshops, seminars, in-service training programs to enhance the knowledge of their subject and keep them abreast with changing paradigms in education. KG teachers attend meeting on 20/7/2019 in Rajapalayam by DFT. Principals meeting on 3rd of August 2019. The principals meeting was organized by DFT Educational Department for school and college principals around Tamil Nadu. Principals workshop on 8th November 2019 organized by Salem Sahodhya School Complex and hosted by Oxford University Press. Stress management and emotional balance on 16th November 2019 in our school campus for our teaching faculties taken by Dr. Ilanjalian and Dr. Supriya. The 5th annual day was celebrated on 29th of February 2020. The invited chief guest, Most Reverend Dr. S. Singarayan, the Bishop of Salem Diocese, the guest of honor, Reverend Sister C. Rita DMI, the Superior General, Reverend Sister Xavier Selvi DMI, the Provincial, the special guest, Mr. P. Muniyappan, Block Educational Officer, and the parental guest, Mr. G.C. Anandan, Reverend Father Amal Mahimai Raj, Parish Priest, Reverend Father Clement Raj, the Parish Priest of Tumbal, DMI administrators from Kodikottai, Trichy, Yerayur and Annai Nagar. The principals from Trichy and Annai Nagar, sisters from Presentation Convent hosted the occasion. Our school teachers have started online classes for the students from the month of April 2020. Our school teachers have taken online classes very effectively. We have attended the classes every day without fail with full interest and involvement. Teachers are guiding and supporting us to handle mobile phones and laptops safely.
வணக்கம், என் பேர் சுனிதா. பசங்க 2 பேர் இந்த ஸ்கூலில் தான் படிக்கிறாங்க. அவங்க பேர் கே லோகமித்ரன், கே த்ரீலோகேஷ். இவங்க 2 பேரும் இந்த ஸ்கூலில் தான் படிக்கிறாங்க. இந்த ஸ்கூல் ஆரம்பித்ததுலேருந்து என் பசங்க 2 பேரும் இங்கே தான் படிக்கிறாங்க. வேறு எந்த ஸ்கூலுக்கும் நாங்கள் மாற்றல. இந்த ஸ்கூல் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது. பரவாயில்ல, மலையில் இந்த அளவுக்கு இருக்குன்றது அவ்வளோ பெரிய விஷயம். எங்களை மாதிரி பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு இது ரொம்பவே சந்தோஷமான விஷயந்தான். அதுவும் இல்லாமல் இந்த ஸ்கூலில் லைப்ரரி இருக்குது, கம்ப்யூட்டர் இருக்குது, எல்லாமே லேபெல்லாம் நல்லா தான் வச்சுருக்காங்க, டீச்சர்ஸும் நல்லா பண்ணுறாங்க. அதே மாதிரி ப்ளே கிரவுண்டும் பரவாயில்ல, நல்லா வச்சுருக்காங்க. பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு நிறையா கேம்ஸும் சொல்லி கொடுக்குறாங்க. டீச்சர்ஸ் வந்து ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் எடுக்கிறாங்க, ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணுறாங்க.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். டிஎம்இ பள்ளி நிர்வாகத்திற்கும் வணக்கம். நாங்கள் வந்து சொந்த ஊர் பார்த்திங்கன்னா மதுரை. நாங்கள் வந்து இங்கே 10 ஆண்டுகள் ஆகிப்போச்சு. எங்கள் பிள்ளைகளை வந்து மதுரையில் படிக்க வச்சுருந்தோம். நல்லா சொல்லிக் கொடுத்தாங்க, நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. கோச்சிங் நல்லா இருக்குது. மதுரைனாவே உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். அதை காட்டிலும் நாங்கள் இப்போ இங்கே தொழில் வந்து கர்மந்துறையில் ஓப்பன் பண்ணணும். இப்போ பிள்ளைகளை வந்து ஷிஃப்டிங் பண்ணி இங்கே கூட்டியாந்துருச்சு. கூட்டியாந்து பார்த்தா ஸ்கூல் நல்ல ஸ்கூல் எதுன்னு இருக்குதுன்னு பார்த்தா ஒரு 4 ஸ்கூல் இங்கே இருக்குது. பேரை சொல்ல விரும்பல. அந்த ஸ்கூலில் விட நல்ல ஸ்கூல் எது நல்லா இருக்குது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா டிஎம்இ ஸ்கூல் நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. கோச்சிங் நல்லா இருக்குதுன்னு வெளியில் விசாரித்த வரைக்கும் சொன்னாங்க. நல்லா சொல்லிக் கொடுக்குறாங்க, நல்லா கோச்சிங் நல்லா இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. இப்போ எங்கள் பிள்ளைகளை விட்டு ஒரு 5 வருஷம் ஆச்சு. 5 வருஷமும் நல்லா படிக்கிறாங்க, கோச்சிங் நல்லா சொல்லிக் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. டீச்சர்ஸுடைய ஊக்கம், அதாவது சொல்லிக் கொடுக்குற விதம் வித்தியாசம் மற்ற ஸ்கூலை விட இந்த ஸ்கூலில் நல்லா இருக்குது. மதுரையை காட்டிலும் இந்த ஸ்கூல் நல்லா இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். அந்த அளவுக்கு டீச்சர்ஸுடைய ஒரு எப்படி கோச்சிங் பண்ணுறது, எந்தெந்த பிள்ளைகளுக்கு எப்படி கோச்சிங் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்குறது அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு இதில் வந்து நல்லா பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அதனால எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு இந்த ஸ்கூலுடைய நிர்வாகமும் மற்ற பள்ளியுடைய சொல்லிக் கொடுக்குற முறையும் மற்ற ஒழுக்கமும். பிள்ளைகளுக்கு முக்கியமானது வந்து ஒழுக்கம் தானே, அந்த ஒழுக்கம் நல்லா சொல்லிக் கொடுக்குறாங்க. நல்லா இருக்குது அந்த ஸ்கூலை பொறுத்த முடியும். நல்லா எஜுகேஷன் நல்லா இருக்குது. இந்த வருஷம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த கொரோனானால வந்து ஏகப்பட்ட பிரச்சனைகள், அதாவது ஸ்கூலுக்கு பிள்ளைகள் போக முடியலை. மற்ற வந்து ஒரு கோச்சிங் இல்லாமல் போயிடணுங்கிற ஒரு மனப்பயத்தில் இருந்தோம். ஆனால் பரவாயில்ல, இப்போ ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் மூலியமாக பிள்ளைகளுடைய கோச்சிங் வந்து இன்னும் சிறப்பாக பண்ணுறாங்க. ஏன்னா பின்னாடி வந்து அவங்களுக்கு லேப்டாப்போ ஒரு கம்ப்யூட்டரோ யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஈஸியாக போயிடும். அந்த அளவுக்கு பேச்சு திறமை, மற்ற தனியார் கிளாஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணுறது விதம் மற்ற எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்குது. அதனால தான் இந்த ஸ்கூல் வந்து எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்குது. இன்னமும் நாங்கள் மேலும் மேலும் இந்த ஸ்கூலோடைய வளர்ச்சி எங்களுக்கு வந்து எப்படின்னா ஹையர் செகண்டரியாக மாறணும். இது ஒரு ஆண்டு விழாவை கூட நான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன், ஒரு பேரண்ட்ஸ் கெஸ்ட்டாக வந்திருக்கும் போது சொல்லியிருந்தேன். இந்த ஸ்கூலோடைய வளர்ச்சி வந்து இந்த ஹையர் செகண்டரியாக மாறணும். ஏன்னா எங்களுடைய பிள்ளைகளை வந்து கீழே அனுப்பாமல் இங்கேயே படிக்க வைக்கணும். அடுத்து போனால் காலேஜ் தான், அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கணும். இதுதான் நாங்கள் எதிர்பார்க்குற ஒரு விதம். நீங்கள் இதை கொஞ்சம் நல்ல விதமாக பண்ணி கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா இன்னும் சிறப்பாக இருக்கும் ஸ்கூலோடைய நிர்வாகம். வணக்கம்.
Hello everyone, I am S. Benny Arun. I am studying 8th standard. Now I would like to share my experience of my online classes. Online classes are very convenient to me. I am very happy to attend the classes. I really enjoy the classes because of my teachers teach and guide me very well. I am completing my homework and sending through the WhatsApp group. My teachers appreciate me. I am very happy. And then I would like to thank all of my teachers, correspondent, principal, and the school management. Thank you.
I'm Adishri from St. Joseph International School, Salem. I'm studying 8th standard and I'm going to tell about online classes. First, I just have been afraid for that to attend my online classes, and now how just I'm going to attend my online classes and how to enter in that, and now I am feeling so good to attend. And today I just attend my test and in my online, that was my first experience in that online test. So I just attend and I got good. And I miss my friends, teachers and my school surroundings. And in this online classes, they tell the what they written in the book, they are telling more about that. So they are not telling the same thing as in all the classes. They are telling the different meaning and what are the types, like that. They are telling so much meanings and like that, and it's so helpful for that, and we can learn in that. And I have 3 classes in one day, so I just attend all the classes, and I will do my homeworks regularly, and I send through my WhatsApp group, my school group, and they correct and they will send. So it is going good, and there is no problem in that. The problem is sometimes the signal problem, that is what that, and another is not there. I should tell thanks to my school and my administrator, principal, teachers, to all, and thank you.
என் பேர் பழனிசாமி, முன்னாள் ஊராட்சி மன்ற தலைவர். இந்த பகுதியில் வந்து முதலில் மக்களுக்கான ஒரு விழிப்புணர்வை ஏற்படுத்தியது நம்முடைய டிஎம்ஐனுடைய சகோதரருடைய முயற்சி தான். அவர்களுடைய பணி மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு இந்த மலைப்பகுதி மலைவாழ் மக்களுக்கு ஒரு சிறந்த எடுத்துக்காட்டு. ஏனென்று சொன்னால் கல்வியறிவே இல்லாத காலங்களில் இம்மலைப்பகுதியில் தேக்கம்பட்டு பகுதியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த டிஎம்ஐ அலுவலகத்தில் தங்கி போக்குவரத்து இல்லாத காலங்களில் அவருடைய எழுத்தறிவு இல்லாத மக்களிடம் சென்று எழுத்தறிவை புகுத்து விழிப்புணர்வை ஏற்படுத்தி ஒரு நல்லதொரு முயற்சியை மேற்கொண்டு பெண்கள் குழு அமைத்து அந்த குழுக்கள் மூலியமாக கந்துவட்டி கொடுமையை ஒழித்ததில் மிகப்பெரிய பங்காற்றியது டிஎம்ஐனுடைய பங்களிப்பு. நம்ம கருமந்துறை அருகில் உள்ள பெருஞ்சூர் கிராமத்துக்கு பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற ஒரு இடத்த வாங்கி முதல்ல அங்கே வந்து ஒரு சிறிய அலுவலகமாக துவங்கப்பட்டு முதல்ல இங்கேருந்து அலுவலகத்தை அங்கே ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணாங்க. தேக்கம்பட்டிலேருந்து போக்குவரத்து சரியாக இல்லை, சிஸ்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து போக முடியாது, ரொம்ப நடமாட்டம் இல்லாத பகுதி அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பெருஞ்சூருக்கு மாற்றி அதன் பிறகு அங்கேருந்து வந்து அந்த கல்வி நிறுவனங்களை துவங்குவதற்கு ஒரு நல்ல முத்தாய்ப்பாக அமைந்தது. அதன் பிறகு அந்த கல்வி நிறுவனம் 2015 ஜூன் மாதம் முதலில் டிஎம்ஐ ஜோசப் இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் ஸ்கூல் என்று துவங்கப்பட்டு இன்று முதல்ல துவங்கப்பட்ட போது இங்கே ஆங்கில வழி கல்வி ஒரே ஒரு பகுதி மட்டும் பகல்பட்டு ஞானதெய்வம் மட்டுமே இருந்தது. இந்த பள்ளி துவங்கப்பட்ட பிறகு நம்முடைய ஜோசப் இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் பள்ளியால் அனைத்து பள்ளி குழந்தைகளும் அங்கே வருகின்ற குழந்தைகள் பெற்றோர்கள் ஒரு மகிழ்ந்து என்னுடைய குழந்தை ஆங்கிலத்தில் பேசுகிறது என்ற நிலைமைகளை உருவாக்கியதற்கு மத்தான நன்றிகள் நாங்கள் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம். தொடர்ந்து அந்த பள்ளி மேலும் மேலும் வளரப்பட வேண்டும். அங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய ஆசிரியர்கள், இங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய தலைமை ஆசிரியர்கள், அங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய சிஸ்டர்ஸ் அவங்க அனைவரும் அந்த முயற்சிகள் தொடர்ந்து மேற்கொள்ளப்பட்டு வருகிறாங்க. தொடர்ந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா மாணவருடைய கல்வியில் அக்கறை செலுத்துகின்ற இதோ வந்து நம்ம வந்து காசு இருந்தால் மட்டும் நம்முடைய கல்விகளை வந்து வாங்க முடியும் அப்படின்னு இல்லாமல் அந்த மக்களுக்கு தேவையான ஒரு யதார்த்தமான ஒரு மனப்பக்குவத்தோடு அந்த எளிய நடைமுறையில் கல்விகளை கற்றுத்தருவதில் நம்முடைய ஜோசப் பள்ளி மிக சிறந்து விளங்குகிறது. அதே போன்று ஒவ்வொருடைய விழா காலங்களிலும் அங்கு இருக்கக்கூடிய அனைத்து பள்ளி குழந்தைகளுடைய பெற்றோர்களையும் பொதுமக்களையும் அழைத்து அந்த விழாக்களை எப்படி வந்து ஆங்கிலத்தில் நாம் எப்படி உரையாடப்பட வேண்டும், எப்படி பேசப்பட வேண்டும், எதிரே ஒழுக்கங்களை கற்றுக்கொள்ள வேண்டும் என்ற அனைத்து நிகழ்வுகளிலும் அவர்களுக்கு செயல்படுத்தப்பட்டு ஒரு செயல்வழி கல்வியாக மாற்றப்பட்டு அதை ஆங்கில வழி கல்வியின் மூலியமாக செயல் வடிவத்தை கொடுத்திருக்கிறார்கள். அந்த வழி மீண்டும் நன்றாக தொடரணும். அவ்வாறு தொடரப்படும் போது உண்மையிலேயே எந்த மக்கள் மத்தியில் நாம் வந்து அடிப்படையான கல்விகளை எடுத்து செல்ல வேண்டும் என்று நோக்கத்தில் டிஎம்ஐ நிறுவனம் அமைக்கப்பட்டதோ அது நிச்சயமாக ஓங்கி வளரும். தமிழகத்தில் பல்வேறு பகுதிகளில் டிஎம்ஐ தொண்டு நிறுவனம் அமைக்கப்பட்டு குழுக்கள் அமைக்கப்பட்டு அது பல்வேறு பகுதிகளிலேயே பள்ளிகளும் அமைக்கப்பட்டு செயல்பட்டு கல்லூரிகளும் அமைக்கப்பட்டு மருத்துவமனைகள் அமைக்கப்பட்டு செயல்பட்டு வருகிறது. இங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த ஜோசப் பள்ளி அந்த டிஎம்ஐனுடைய அங்கமாக இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த தொண்டு நிறுவன பள்ளி, அதே மாதிரி இங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய மகளிர் தொண்டு நிறுவனம் இவை அனைத்தும் சேர்ந்து ஒரு முத்தாய்ப்பாக இந்த மக்களுக்கு வாழ்க்கையை பெற்றுத் தந்திருக்கிறது. அது மீண்டும் மீண்டும் வளர வேண்டும் என்பதை இந்த நேரத்தில் நாங்கள் தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு முடித்துள்ளோம்.